Okay, let's go through this question. ABCD is a rhombus with A. You can see the coordinates of A and C. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Okay, ABCD is a rhombus with A and C. The diagonals of ABC, D bisect each other at M. The point E lies on BC. The point E lies on BC. Okay. Here's the diagram. Here's the diagram. It's a rhombus. They say it's a rhombus. And then the first question say, calculate the coordinates of M. This is a rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus are equal. So AC equal to DB. And diagonals bisect at M, meaning that DM is equal to MB is equal to AM is equal to MC. That's what they mean. So we are going to use the midpoint formula to find the distance of AM. So using the midpoint, I meant to find the coordinates of M. Using the midpoint formula, we have the x coordinate is -3, and then we're adding 5, the other x coordinate is 5, all over 2. And then in the y coordinates it's 8, the other coordinates is -4, all over 2. So 5 minus 3 or -3 plus 5 will give us 2. 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. And then in 8 minus 4 will give us 4. 4 over 2 will give us 2. So the coordinates of M is 1 and 2. The next question says, calculate the gradient of BC. Calculate the gradient of BC. Okay, on BC we have the coordinates of E and C. We can use that to find the gradient. So it's 1 minus -4 all over 6 minus 5. Okay, 1 minus -4 will give us positive 5, and 6 minus 5 will give us positive 1. So it will be the same as 5 over 1, which is the same as 5. Okay, it's fine. Let's proceed to the next question. Determine the equation of the line AD in the form y equal to mx plus c. The equation of AD. This is a rhombus. Opposite sides of a rhombus are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. So the gradient will be also equal to 5. So the y value is 8, which equal to the gradient, which is 5. X is -3 plus c. So 5 times -3 will give us -15. So we will have 8 equal to -15 plus c. Then if we take -15 across, we'll have something like 8 plus 15 equal to c. 8 plus 15 equal to c. And then if we add 8 and 15, it will have something like 23. So the value of c is the same as 23. Then we can write the equation in the form y equal to mx plus c, which is 5x plus 23. That's your equation of AD. Done. Go to the next question. The last question. It says, determine the size of theta. That is B angle AC. Show all your calculations. Okay, it's fine. This is a rhombus. What are the characteristics of a rhombus? A rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals bisect at a right angle. Diagonals bisect the angles. Opposite angles are equal. So angle A, the whole of angle A is equal to the whole of angle C. The whole of angle D is equal to the whole of angle B. And this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. So if diagonals are equal, then we will have an isosceles triangle, which is a right angle. We then have something like a, okay, let me just show you quickly what we have. Okay, let me show you quickly what something that we have. Okay, it is. This thing is something like this one. So this is A, this is M, this is B. A, M, B. And M is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle. M is a right angle. M is a right angle. So if M is a right angle, okay, let me just give you a hint. Let me give you a hint on what I'm talking about. Okay. This is how it is. M is a right angle. And this side AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. And if AM is equal to MB, then these two angles are also equal because it's an isosceles triangle. Let me just reduce it a little bit. It's an isosceles triangle. This angle A, is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. So they say show all your workings. This angle is equal to this angle. And the sum of these two angles is 90 because we have one angle being equal to 90. The sum of these two angles is 90. And these two angles are equal. So 90 divided by 2 is 45. Angle theta is 45. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Angle theta is 45. But let's do it. We can say in that triangle where we have theta, in triangle AMB, in triangle AMB, we have one angle being equal to 90. We can say angle M in triangle AMB. Okay, let me just say in triangle AMB, then in space, angle M plus angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. They're equal. Okay. Then we can say both. We can say both. We introduce the both. Both angle A is equal to angle B equal to theta. Equal to theta. Why do we say angle A is equal to angle B? You can give a reason if you want to. These are angles opposite equal sides. These are angles which are opposite the equal sides. So if A equal to B equal to theta, then we can replace. We will have M plus theta plus theta. We can replace those angles by theta because they are all equal to theta, plus theta plus another theta, which equal to 180 degrees. And we know the value of M. The value of M is 90. The value of M is 90. So theta plus theta, they are like terms. Theta plus theta will give us 2 theta. So 90 plus 2 theta. 90 plus 2 theta. 90 plus 2 theta equal to 180. And then if we take 90 across, if we take 90 across, we'll have something like 2 theta equal to 180 minus 90. And 180 minus 90 will give us 90. And then if we divide both sides by 2, angle theta will be equal to 45 degrees. It's just unfortunate they said show all your workings. But if they didn't say show all your workings, they just said determine angle theta. You just write it. Theta equal to 45. Because this angle is this angle. This is a right isosceles triangle. It's a right angle isosceles triangle. So in a right angle isosceles triangle, the base angles are also equal. And if the base angles are equal, one angle is 90, the two angles must be 45 each. That's how you do it. You are done. You submit, you get, let me check. You get 13. And we still have another question here, which is 24. So at 13 and 24, see how much it gives you. You have 13. You have 24. You have 37 marks. That's what you should do.